welcome to AI Path. Today we're starting Series 15, MCP and Agent Protocols. If you've watched our beginner MCP series, you already know what MCP is and how to install one. This series is the deep dive, how to actually build a good MCP server that other people will want to use. We start with design patterns. Let's get into it. First, why does design even matter for an MCP server? Here's the thing. An MCP server is not for humans. It's a menu of tools that an LLM reads and decides whether to use. If your tool names are confusing, the LLM picks the wrong one. If your descriptions are vague, it skips them. If your errors are messy, it gets stuck in a loop trying to fix them. Bad design doesn't just look bad. It actively makes the agent dumber. Good design makes the agent feel like it has superpowers. 5 rules. Memorize these and you'll write better MCP servers than 90% of what's out there. Rule 1. Name tools like verbs. Not user info but get _user _info. Not data but fetch _sales _data. The LLM is looking for actions, give it actions. Rule 2. Write descriptions for the LLM, not for documentation. Tell it when to use the tool, when not to use it, and what it gets back. 2 sentences, plain English. Rule 3. Keep tools small and focused. 1 tool, 1 job. Don't write a Swiss Army knife tool with 12 parameters. Write 5 small tools instead. Rule 4. Return structured data. JSON with named fields. Never return a paragraph of text the model has to parse again. And Rule 5. Errors should teach. Don't just say error 500. Say database is down, retry in 30 seconds so the model knows what to do. Now let's talk about granularity, because this is where most people get it wrong. Granularity is just a fancy word for how big should each tool be. 3 options. Option 1, too big. 1 megatool that does everything. Manage _database that takes a verb and 20 parameters. The LLM can't tell what it does and picks bad arguments. Option 2, too small. 100 tiny tools, like get _user _ID, get _user _name, get _user _email, and so on. The model gets overwhelmed with the menu and picks something dumb. Option 3, just right. 5 to 10 focused tools per server, each doing one clear thing. Create _user, find _user, update _user, delete _user. Action plus noun. Easy for the LLM to scan. Goldilocks zone. Not too big, not too small. About the size of a CRUD interface. Let me show you a real example. Same server, 2 designs. Bad version, 1 tool called database _up. It takes an action string, a table name, and a JSON blob of params. Description, performs a database operation. When something fails, it returns operation failed. Good luck, LLM. Good version, 4 tools. List _orders, get _order, update _order, cancel _order. Each takes simple, named parameters. Each description tells the LLM exactly when to use it. Errors come back as structured JSON, order not found, the ID may be wrong. Same database underneath. Completely different agent experience. The good version costs you maybe 20 extra minutes to write and saves you hours of debugging. Quick recap. MCP servers are designed for LLMs, not humans. 5 rules: verb names, descriptions for the model, small focus tools, structured returns, and errors that teach. Aim for the Goldilocks zone, about 5 to 10 tools per server, shaped like a clean CRUD interface. Next time we get into transports, STIO, SSE, and streamable HTTP. How MCP actually moves bytes between your agent and your tools, and which one to pick. If this helped, hit subscribe and I'll see you in part 2.